Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, knowing how to transfer assets securely is key. Today, we're covering how to send XRP from Ledger Nano X to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. This process is straightforward, but always prioritize security to protect your funds. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet, the Ledger Live app installed on your computer, and your Coinbase Wallet address handy. Double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware for 2025 compatibility. This ensures smooth transactions and added security features. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable. Open the Ledger Live app and enter your PIN on the device to unlock it. Once in, navigate to the Accounts section and select your XRP account. You'll see your current XRP balance here. Step 2. In Ledger Live, click on your XRP account and choose the Send option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Copy and paste your Coinbase Wallet address carefully. One wrong character could send your XRP to the wrong place. Step 3. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember to leave enough for any network fees, which might be minimal for XRP in 2025. Review the transaction details on your Ledger screen for confirmation. Never approve anything on your computer alone. Step 4. Once you're happy with the details, confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano X by following the on-screen prompts. You'll get a notification once it's sent, and you can check your Coinbase wallet to see the XRP arrive, which usually takes just a few minutes. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets like Ledger for storage to keep your crypto safe from hacks. And if you're new, consider testing with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.